Hello, everybody. We're over here in a little town called Madrid in Iowa, and we're back on one project that we did 2 months ago or so for one builder. And today we're gonna do some touch-up, final touch-up. So this picket, we gotta put some mortar around underneath. There's missing some mortar. Then also this vent, there's some gap, so we're gonna fill that. Now we're gonna go inside. There's one beautiful fireplace we did, and we gotta fill some mortar around the mantle. We couldn't do it last time because it was not stained. That's what we're gonna do today. Okay, this is the fireplace. We're gonna fill mortar around the mantle. It was not finished, so now after it's finished, we can also finish our part.
Perfection is a look, it's trust. We never leave until it's right. Turning hard work into timeless life. We're the final touch. We're the lasting name. Built on pride.
So while we're here at this job, I like to show you the beautiful screen porch with the nice fireplace.
Test of time. City Masonry Restoration. Hear the call when quality matters. We give it our all.
TV is gonna come right there.
Fireplaces, patios, chimneys stand tall.
And the brick, they're going all the way around, and they're going above the roof line.
Every line creating masterpieces designed to shine. Years may pass, seasons may change, but true craftsmanship remains the same. Built for families, built with pride, a legacy standing side by side. We're the final touch. We're the lasting name. Built on pride, not chasing fame. From my own to every street, City Masonry makes perfection complete. Stone forever, strong and true, built with honor for people like you.
You could have, I told him you could have, it was like, you was like, fine, yeah, you could have, I could have waited, I could have just won. He asked, and I was like, well, he's not coming, I'll spray it. It didn't all work out, I guess, huh?
Fireplaces, patios, chimneys stand tall, brick and natural stone. We build them all. Sin in every corner, beauty in every line, creating masterpieces designed to shine. Years may pass, seasons may change, but true craftsmanship remains the same.
This is the back where the screen porch is and fireplace. I think next week they're gonna come and do the landscaping around the house.
Every stone tells a story, every line is true. Built with steady hands, crafted just for you. From the first foundation to the final clean, City Masonry Restoration builds the dream. One last detail, one last brush. Perfection is a look, it's trust. We never leave until it's right. Turning hard work into timeless light. Where the final touch, where the lasting name. Built on pride, not chasing fame. Stone by stone, we raise the standard high. Strong enough to stand the test of time. City Masonry Restoration, hear the call when quality matters. We give it our all. Fireplaces, patios, chimneys standing tall. Brick and natural stone, we build them all. Precision in every corner, beauty in every line. Creating masterpieces designed to shine. Years may pass, seasons may change, but true craftsmanship remains the same. Built for families, built with pride, a legacy standing side by side. Where the final touch, where the lasting name. Built on pride, not chasing fame. From my own homes to every street, City Masonry makes perfection complete. Stone forever, strong and true. Built with honor for people like you.
Non le puse.
No, vedi come ho detto io.
is true. Built with steady hands, crafted just for you. From the first foundation to the final clean, City Masonry Restoration builds the dream. One last detail, one last brush. Perfection is a look, it's trust. We never leave until it's right. Turning hard work into timeless light. We're the final touch, we're the lasting name. Built on pride, not chasing fame. Stone by stone, we raise the standard high. Strong enough to stand the test of time. City Masonry Restoration, hear the call when quality matters. We give it our all. Fireplaces, patios, chimneys standing tall, brick and natural stone, we build them all. Precision in every corner, beauty in every line, creating masterpieces designed to shine. Years may pass, seasons may change.
Okay, this was a final touch-up. If you like this video, leave a comment, press the thumb button, subscribe, and then we'll see you on the next one.